got a glitch. Oh, it just hit me now. I'm feeling this switch up. Flashing lights and muffled sounds.
What is up, beautiful people? Welcome once again to hellohnclothing. Welcome to another wonderful video. In today's video, we are going to learn how to properly attach a triangular waistline or a basque waistline in this case into a dress. Okay, so it is assumed that you already have your top bodies prepared and then you have the bottom part also prepared. How do you join it to avoid poking out or not relaxing properly or looking so tacky? This is what I'm going to be telling you in this video. So if you're interested in seeing how it's going to go, please do keep on watching and let's dive right into the video. For you to be able to do this properly, you need a dress form. Guys, please invest in a very good dress form. Watch this video to see where I shopped mine from, and I bet you thank me later. You thank me immediately, not later. Okay, so I have my skirt piece. If you can look closely at this, I have not cut the triangular waist already. I'll place my skirt piece on my dress form and just pin it down. Once you have put your skirt piece, take your bodice, the upper bodice. You see, I've not joined anything, and place it right there on top. Hold it down in place. And the next thing is to make sure you match this to the skirt piece. So look at this closely, right? You must make sure that this one lifts up to where this place is. So here, I'll still need to lift up the skirt. So you see that it's matching up here now. Align this here. And what you're going to do is mark out the shape of the V on the skirt. Okay, so here's the V shape drawn out. What we're going to do is unpin this. All right, so now we have it right here on the skirt. So we are going to now start pinning this. Make sure this triangle meets up. This is like the main thing. Don't drag, just bend and pin, pin. So you'll be able to sew this. Do the same for the other side. Just pin it down so you'll be able to sew this. You can tack it first of all, secure it how you want it with a needle and a thread before you then sew it. You just need to be take your time with it so that it's going to come out nicely. So I'll pin, go to the sewing machine and join it.
What was in that stuff you gave me? I think I like it. In fact, it made me high pitched. It just hit me now. Said it's cool if you wanna get down, rapping with my crew. Yeah, Yeah, there was. So if you wanna come flex round here, ooh, I think I'm ready now.
So I'll first start sewing this. I'll check it out before I now attach the other side. So you can see already that it's giving me how it should look like.
I think I'm ready now. Caught in a ditch, and now that I've come down, I'm on the fritz. God damn it, I'm tripping now. But what was in that stuff you gave me? I think I like it. In fact, it made me glitch. Damn, I'm tripping now. Said it's cool if you wanna get down, rapping with my crew. Yeah, there was. So if you wanna come flex round here, ooh, I think I'm ready now. I think I'm ready now. Said it's cool if you wanna get down, rapping with my crew. Yeah, there was. So if you wanna come flex round here, ooh, I think I'm ready now.
All night we've been rapping. Can we slide out and get active? They know I rep my hood with a passion. Still jump on the beats and start spazzing. Yeah, we got notes.
Alright guys, so here you can see how it actually did now come out. I'll just do a very small top stitch on it, like a triangular one, like to close up this area. Once you are done closing it up, you can then trim out this. Once you are done, that's trim out the excess. But the idea is, first of all, join the basque before you then trim off the excess that you'll be having. Don't trim yet before joining the basque. All right, so at this stage the basque has been attached beautifully along the waist, and we'll have this here. You now want to trim off this part. Okay, that's the trick behind it that will help you attach your basque properly. So as you're trimming, just cut, leaving your sewing allowance, I hope you understand what I mean, into the corner there too as well. So by the time you're looking at it in front, it's properly lying flat. This is how the interior of the front looks like. You can see well sewn, no poking there. Let's look at the back. The back also has a bass kind of waist effect. So looking at it, both should be matching up this way. Now once you have this, you just want to turn to this place and just trim off this, because it's the same way, right? You want to trim off so it relaxes fine, and then you can install your zipper into the dress, finish up other parts of the dress. So what's just left? Putting in the zipper, the lining, sewing the side seams, and you're practically done. Installing the sleeve if you want to put a sleeve in this dress, and you're done. So I'll do all of that, and we'll be seeing the finished dress in just 2 hours. Let me not say just a minute, in about 1 hour to 2 hours.